Today's class is just starting. Make sure everyone will listen. Make sure everyone will listen. Right. Yeah, fine, perfect. This is the problem. Very interesting problem. This problem is very interesting. So I'm writing now. So please take care. Right. Find output. Find output of following Python program. Find output of following Python program. Python program. Right? I'm writing now. Be careful. I'm writing now. Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Right. I think this may be the best problem. First order, I think order some change there. That is the reason I took some time. Let's start now. A is equal to 10. Print A. A is equal to 10. Print A. Next one, print ID of A. Wait. Wait, sequence a little bit changed. I think fine. This is fine. A is equal to 10. Print A, ID of A. Next one. B is equal to 10. Print B and print ID of B. Print ID of B. Right? I think until now everything is fine. Next one, A is equal to 20. Print A, print ID of A. Yeah, this is the problem. Can you try to give answer? Find output of following Python program. This is the program. Try to give what is the output of this program. Let's see how many people will give answer. This is the program. What is the output of this program? Yeah, go ahead. Find output of following Python program. A10 print A, ID of A, B10 print B, ID of B. A is equal to 20, print A, ID of A. Try. I don't know how many people will give answer. Let's check. Everyone have to try. Today's class just started now. Today's class just started now. It just started. What is the output of this program? Try this. I will give the answer. You people try. Today's class is just started now. This is the starting of today's class. Find output of following Python program. I written one Python program. What will be the output? Can you try? Try what is the output of this program. Yeah. So I'm giving the answer. I'm giving the answer. Everyone see this. I hope everyone tried. I hope everyone tried. See the output. See the output of this program. So A10, see this one. For the first line, A10 memory will allocate 10 address 1000, some address. Second line print A. So 10 will be printed. Variable means printing inside. Variable means printing inside. This is very, very important. This problem is very, very important. Otherwise, you may not get the Python programming. This is the major one. In my opinion, this is the major one. In today's class, whatever is going on, today's class is the major one. Try to understand. A10. Next one is print A. So 10 will be printed. Okay, fine. See the third one. See the third one. Print ID of A, address of A, 1000. So because of second line, 10 will be printed. Because of third line, address printed. A address is 1000. Okay, fine. Now see the third one. Third one is over. Can you see the fourth line? B is equal to 10. Remember, B is equal to 10 because of same data. Because of same data in Python, if data is same, memory will not create again. Right? This will also reference to here. Right? This will also reference before going to create the right PVM, right? Python virtual machine. Right, but Python virtual machine, what it will do is when you store the same data in another variable, what it will do is first it will check any variable with the same data there, it will point there. Now see this one, fifth line, print B, so fifth line, print B, 10 will be printed. Right, next one, sixth line, print ID of B. Print ID of B, same 1000 will be printed. This is the very, very important one. Both will print same ID. Both will print same ID. Please be careful. Both will print same ID. Right, in the Python, this is the very, very important concept. If you don't know this, you may not get further. So let's go to the seventh one. A is equal to 20. See this one. Very, very important one. It's a very, very important. It's a very, very important. A is equal to 20, you said, right? Then what happened is, right, memory will create again for 20. Address is 2000. Because of different data, you don't rechange also. You don't modify this. You don't modify this. Please try to understand. You don't modify this. Right? A is equal to 20. Next one, eighth point. Print A. So 8th point is going to be print A, 20 will be printed. So 9th point, print ID of A address, 2000 will be printed. So please careful. So this is the output of this program. Same variable, if you keep the different value, then different variable will be created. You cannot modify this. Existing one you cannot modify. Okay? Existing one you cannot modify. New one will be created. This is called as immutable. Right? Fine. So let me know if anyone having any small issue. Anyone having small issue, please let me know. Sir, I have this issue, I have that issue. You please let me know. Immutable. Right? It's not immutable. It's immutable. It's immutable. So I'm changing immutable. One more here. Immutable means you cannot change. Immutable. So, and one more thing is what the A type? A type is integer. Integers are immutable. Immutable means you cannot change. When you keep the updated value, one more variable will be created. When you keep the updated, suppose you that A already 10, you are keeping 20. So you got to know different. So instead of modifying, let's create one more, because integers are immutable. Mutable means you can update. Immutable means you cannot update. Immutable means you cannot update. Right? You have to create one more. You may say that, sir, what is the need, sir? What is the need? Because so many people are referring to the same. So many people are referring to the same place. When you change A, what about B? It will create a lot of trouble. Right? If A is equal to 10, B also 10, C also 10, all will point to same memory. Suppose suddenly you change A value 10 to 20, then all will change. This will affect. So that is the reason, there is a concept of immutable, mutable. Mutable means you can change. When you change, all the people who are referring to that. When you change, so let me go there. So are you able to hear me? Are you able to hear me? I am repeating once again. If anyone not able to hear, I am repeating once again. Can you see this? Can you see this one? First time A 10 address code okay. Same B also 10. Same B also 10 is there. So because of same data, memory will not create again. So both will be referred to same. Both will be referred to same. Just 1 minute. Outside some noise. Yeah, if you see this one, A memory created, B also will use the same memory. Right? 1 second A is equal to 20 because same data, same memory. Different data, different memory. Why? Integer is immutable. Immutable means you cannot change. Some people are asking, if I change, what is the issue? See, same memory location, 1000, A there, B there, sometimes C there, sometimes B there, many people are there. One person changes, all will affect. To solve this problem, whenever you are updating A to something, right, one more memory location will be allocated. And one more thing, only one more memory location allocated. So mutable means you can change. Immutable means you cannot change. Immutable means you cannot change. So let me know what the answers here. So 10, address of A 10, address of B 20. So major thing is this. What is the major thing? Are you printing same address or different address? A and B will print the same address. But third time A if you observe, see, A B over, next time A if you observe, because of different value, different memory. Because integer is immutable. Immutable means you cannot change. So mutable means you can change. Integers are immutable. Float also immutable. Right? Next one, integer float. And one more thing is, integer float. Yeah. So remaining things also will come, definitely I will take care. Remaining things also will come, definitely I will take care. So until now, this is the story. Now, can you go ahead? Further? I think you people got little doubt also there. You can ask, sir, I have this doubt. The purpose of live class is you can ask doubts. That is the basic purpose of live class. Can you go to next problem? One problem I done. Next problem you do. I am going to the next problem. Let me go to the next problem. Be careful. A is equal to 10 plus 5j means complex. Print A. Next one, print ID also. That's okay. Print ID of A. That is fine. Till now, okay. B is equal to 10 plus 5j. Print ID of B. If you want, you can make this as comment. Remember, in the case of Python, comment is nothing but hash. Hash means comment. In Python, if I say hash, comment, single line comment. In Python, if I keep hash, single line comment. A is equal to 10 plus 5j. Afterwards, print id of A. B is equal to 10 plus 5j. Print id of B. That is also okay. Next one. A is equal to 10 plus 5j. Print id of A. Okay, that is also okay. B is equal to 10 plus 6j. 10 plus 6j. Print id of B. That is also okay. Next one, until now okay. Until now okay. Let me do one more. A is equal to 10. Print id of A. B is equal to 10. Print id of B. That is also okay. I think everyone know this. Everyone know this until now. Let's see the outputs. Let's see the outputs. A is equal to 10. Print id of A. B is equal to 20. id of B. Print id of B. Same kind of problem. So many statements I get up. Can you check one time? One by one, go ahead. One by one, go ahead. First one. Second one. Third one. Fourth one. Fifth one. Sixth one. Seventh one. Eighth one. 9. 10. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. Totally 16 lines. Can you go one by one and start? Can you go one by one and start? Start from here. Start from here. What is the output of this program? Remember, draw the memory also. Draw the memory also. A type is complex. Initially A type complex. Initially A type complex. Let me write. A inside A 10 plus 5j stored complex. Address is 1000. First line over. Can you see the second line? Print id. 1000 printed. Second line 1000 printed. Can you go to third line? So because of same memory, see this one, same data. Say first it will check same data already anyone in this program. Yes, they. So B also point to same. Print id. So I think this fourth line, same 1000 will be printed. Next one, A is equal to 10 plus 5j. You don't create any, same already there. So again, fifth line, 1000 only printed. Next one, B is equal to, see this one, B is equal to 10 plus 6j, something different. It will create 10 plus 6j. It will create address is 2000. Because of 6j, it's different. The next one, print id B, so 2000. I think number is 8. 2000 will be printed. What about sixth one? What about sixth one? I think same will be printed, na? Sixth one also 1000 will be printed. What about seventh one? Normal statement. Eighth one, printf. Okay, fine. Let's go to ninth. Remember, A is equal to 10. A is equal to 10. I think if you observe clearly, A is equal to previously 10 plus 5j. Now A is equal to 10. Again, memory will be created. 10. Address is 3000. Address is 3000. Print. So I think the 10th statement will print 3000. Let's go to 11th statement. Let's go to 11th statement. B is equal to 10. Can you help now? B is equal to 10. I think like A, B also. I think same thing here. So I think it's, if you see the 12th statement, 3000 only printed. Next one, A is equal to 10, same. Print id, I think the 14th statement, 14th statement, 3000 only printed because A is equal to 10. Now B is equal to 20, I think different. Different memory will be allocated. So 20 here is the 4000. Right? Lastly, 16th statement, 4000 will be printed. It's an excellent problem. Please check. Something is not clear, let me know. Different people, see this one. Same data means same person. Different data means you have to create. Sir, can't I update? No, you cannot update. Why so? Why so? Right? This integer. This integer is all data things are integer, character, sorry, integer, float, complex. These all are going to be immutable. You cannot change. You cannot update this. Different you have to create again. Different you have to create again. Different you have to create again. Because these all numeric things are. Numeric things are. Numerical things are like int, float, like int, float, and one more thing is complex. These are immutable. These are immutable. Let me know anyone having any objection. Ready, sir? I have this objection. If you say to me, please let me know. Sir, I have this objection, sir. You say to me, I will help you. Check one time. Sir, this problem I have some small doubt. So remember, some people are asking, instead of updating, why are you creating again? Because integer is immutable. Instead of updating again, why are you creating again? Right? This one. Which one? Complex. A plus ij form. Right? A plus bj form. Bj form. A plus bj form. Which is going to be complex. Complex things also immutable. Whenever same person is coming with different value, you have to create. This is a very important one. Total Python is based on this only. Without knowing this concept, don't study anything of Python. Without studying this one, don't learn anything of Python. I request everyone, please let me know if you have doubt. Let me know if you have any doubt. Ready, sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help. Ready, sir, I have some doubt. You ask me, I will help. Let me know anyone having any issue. Check one time. Verify. If anyone having doubt, let me know. Small doubt also there, let me know. Small doubt also there, please let me know. One small doubt also, please let me know. One small doubt also there, please let me know. Sir, I have this doubt, sir. You ask me, I will help. I have one doubt. Sir, I have this doubt, sir. You ask me, I will help you. This is my doubt, sir. You ask. Now I want to say one more important thing to you. Please see this one. Please see this one. Go to the gate DA. Go to the gate DA. Here click on gate DA. Here click on gate DA. So if you go to the there are some articles of Python. These are articles are there. Python articles also there. Python articles also there. Python articles also there. Python articles also there. So let me see this one. Can you see this? Can you see here one time carefully? Can you see this? I think maybe I have to make a little bigger. Let me make this. See this. See everyone. These are immutable. Immutable things if you observe, see this one. Immutable things if you observe, see this one. Numbers are immutable. Int, float, complex. Booleans are immutable. True, false. Strings also immutable. Immutable means you cannot change. Tuples also immutable. Frozen sets also immutable. Please, can you remember? Just if you cannot remember, go to exam prep tool website. There over you will find out gate DA. Over you find out gate DA. So here you find out over gate DA. Gate DA is there. See here. Gate DA is there. Click on that. You will find out. Some important articles I kept here. Python programming. I kept something here. So let's check here. So number also remember 35. There I kept mutable, immutable. Please check once. Immutable. These are the immutable. If you Google it out also, you will get these are mutable. Mutable means you can change. These are mutable. Lists are mutable. Means you can change. Same person coming with different data, you can change. Dictionaries also mutable. Sets also mutable. Byte arrays also mutable. These are mutable. These are right. These are mutable. These are immutable. These are immutable. These are mutable. I will keep on change. I will keep on change. Come here and check. So is Python programming is call by value or call by reference? Lastly, you can check. Lastly, you can read this entire article. Starting to ending, you can read. I given examples also. Is Python programming is call by value or call by reference? I written the everything. I written everything. Don't read now. Read lastly. The purpose of this one is I want to say immutable what? I want to say mutable what? These are mutable, these are immutable. Remember, immutable means you cannot change. Same person coming with different data. You have to create memory again. So who are immutable? Numbers are immutable, booleans are immutable, strings are immutable, tuples are immutable, Trojan sets are immutable. Who are mutable? Lists are mutable, dictionaries are mutable, sets are mutable, byte arrays are mutable. Right? So custom objects are mostly mutable. Custom objects, see, instances of user-defined classes are generally mutable. Custom objects means user-created things. User-created things. How user can create? Using object-oriented concept. Using object-oriented concepts, you can create the objects. Right? Custom, those are custom objects. They are mutable. But until unless, right, you specially design to be immutable. Right? How to do that? Afterwards, we'll see. So please remember this. It will be useful to you. Please remember. Right. Last time I want to ask you, if anyone asks any question here, see, if anyone asks any question here, sir, A 10.10 plus 5J. B also coming with same data coming means same memory. Now A again 10 plus 5J, same data means same memory. Now B 10 plus 6 is different data, so different memory. A again different data, A again different data, different memory. Why integers are immutable, means you cannot change. B is equal to 10, I think because of both are same memory. Next one, A is equal to 10, same. Next one, B is equal to 20, different, so create a memory again. So that is the reason. So numericals, int, float, complex are immutable. Right? Int, float, complex are immutable. So some more things also there, please check. I already given. So these are. I already given these are. So these are immutable. Numbers, these. Boolean, true, false. Strings, immutable. Tuples, immutable. Trojan sets, right? Immutable. Mutable, list, dictionary, sets, right? Byte arrays, they are mutable. Afterwards, anyhow, you will see it is too early to comment. I want to show one time, I show. Right? Fine. Perfect. Perfect. Now, let's move to next one. Very good, right? So if any those people who are watching, little doubt also there. Sir, Reddy sir, I have some doubts, sir. You ask me, I will help. Reddy sir, I have some doubts, sir. You ask me, I will help. Little doubt also there. You ask me, I will help. Right? Let's see this problem also. Example: if you have doubt and if you don't ask, there is no meaning. A10, print A10 print A, print ID of A, print ID of A. Next one, A is equal to 10.9, print A, print A, print ID of A. A is equal to 10. Remember, it is string. Print A. Print ID of A. A is equal to 10. Print A. Print ID of A. It's also nice problem. Numbers also I am giving 1, 2, 3. Whatever possible, can you try this? Everyone, can you try this? It's a very interesting problem. Can you try this? Little doubt also there, please ask me. Sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help. Try once. Whatever answer possible, give. I will give the answer. You please try your attempt. Whatever it may be the answer, please try. Right. Let me give answer. Let me give. So A10 address 1000. Next one. A10 address is 1000. That's fine. Address is 1000. Next one, print A. Print A, IDA. So second statement 10 printed. Third statement ID 1000 printed. Address. Till now okay. Next one, see this one. A 10.9. A 10.9. It's different. So type itself is different. Type itself is different. So it will create memory again. 10.9. Address is 2000. So print A, so I think the number is 5. Print A is 10.9. Sixth one is going to be ID. So 2000 will be printed. Till now, fine. Everyone is comfortable. Till now, everyone is comfortable. Till now, everyone is comfortable. So sixth one. Now sixth one. A is equal to string. It is a string. It is a string. Create again. Create again. It is a string. Be careful. String different, float different. Right, next one, print A, print A. So number is I think 8, 9. 8 is going to be 10 will be printed. String 10 only printed, 9 is going to be. So 3000 address will be printed. Next one, A is equal to 10. Remember, A is equal to 10. A is equal to 10. Be careful. So this A. This A. A is equal to 10. This A. So I think first address will be printed. Let me check. First address will be printed. Whatever is the first address, same thing will be printed. Exactly, because same. It will go there. Because already there. Already there. So, I think 11. 11 is going to be. 11 is going to be 10 will be printed. 12 is going to be 1000 will be printed. Exactly. These two are same. Because data is same. This is very important. So from based on this only further story will come. Based on this only further story will come. I am thinking that everyone is comfortable. I am thinking that everyone is comfortable. We will see some complex things also. We will see some complex things also within few minutes. We will see some complex things also within few minutes. Okay, I feel everyone fine. Until now, everyone is very good, very good questions. Please check one time. Today's class is started from here. Today's class is started from here, followed by one more problem, followed by one more problem. Three problems we done. Three problems we done. Okay. Okay, this is perfect. Let's go to next. Let's go to next. Let's go to next.
Hello everyone, my name is Subbarao Gutta. I have been guiding students for competitive examinations since 2007. Based on my experience, I would like to share a few suggestions that can make your preparation more effective. I hope you are enjoying these lectures. My sincere request is please complete the entire subject without skipping any lecture. Every lecture is connected. While attending the classes, write your own notes and execute every program that I demonstrate. I strongly believe in that one time writing is equal to 10 times reading. And programming is learned only through practice, right? While doing the story at any point of time, if I am writing the program, you also write, you also do changes whatever you want instead of blindly listening whatever I'm saying, right? You also write the program, you also try whatever you want. So you have to make the notes also, and because of it's a programming, it's better to practice also. If you have any doubts, ask them in the comment section or join our doubt solving group. Our doubt solvers will solve, and you can see class notes of this, but these all lectures in the group also. The link of the group will be provided in the description. Please have a right look one time. And not only that, as soon as you complete any subject, right, assignment also please write. Assignment link also we are providing in the description. Lastly, you write the mock tests also, those links also provided. Once you finish the subject, make sure you solve the assignment and then attempt the mock test. That's where real learning will start. We will provide the same quality of teaching, assignments, mock test, and doubt support for each and every subject. Before I conclude, I would like to share one belief that is very close to my heart. I sincerely believe that quality education should be accessible to every talented student. No student should miss quality education because of financial limitations. That's why we have kept most of the courses at exam prep tool affordable so that every deserving student can benefit. Thank you for your support. Stay consistent, trust the process, and keep learning, keep growing.
Now, next topic is typecasting. Madam, typecasting. Next one is a typecasting. Typecasting in Python. Changing type in Python language. Nothing, changing one type to another type. Typecasting in Python language. Typecasting in Python language, changing from one format to another format, or one type to another type. That's the meaning of typecasting. Right? Changing from one type to another type. So I am giving first problem. Right? With the help of problem, I will try. With the help of problem, I will try. Let's see. A is equal to int 123.987. Print A. Next one. C is equal to into true. Print C. Next one, in the similar way, D is equal to int of false. Print D. Next one, E is equal to int of print E. Next, I think these are more than enough. These are more than enough, right? And one more. See this one? I have something. If I want to convert, I have something here. If I want to convert into, I will write int. What is the meaning of typecasting? Converting from one form to another form. So suppose isn't that it is the A form. Suppose isn't that it is A type, that may be int or float, char, whatever it is. It is B. That means you are converting A format to B. So whatever is there, that format you are converting. If this is the A format or A type, you are converting into B type. Whatever is there outside, that format you are converting. Presently how it is, A format. Finally what it will be, B format. Right? Fine. So can you try this? So in the first one, I will give numbers also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? So now see, in the first line if you observe, the float number whatever you have, you are converting into integer. Now that will store in the A. So print A. In the third line if you observe, this is actually Boolean type. It is actually Boolean type. You are converting into int. That is the third line. Next one. Fifth line. Actually it is a Boolean type. Boolean type. You are converting into integer. Actually it is a string type. You are converting into integer. Right? Try one by one. What output you are thinking, you let me know. So inside the bracket, whatever is there is current type. Outside the bracket, whatever is there is, right? Whatever is there is, right? Next type, which type you are converting. Presently, first line is there in the right float format, but I want integer. So outside int is there, so integer. So if you see the output now, second line, right? What is the answer? Second line will print integer 123. It will print 123. Float become integer. It will become 123. Okay. Let's go to third line. Right? Into true. Let's go to third line. Into true. True, right? You are converting true, you are converting into integer. So true means normally 1. So C. So finally print C. So fourth line becomes 1. Exactly. True. Next one. Into false. False means normally 0. Right? So next one is a print D. I think sixth line. Sixth line becomes 0. Next one, can you see this one? Can you see the seventh line? So actually 10 is a string. You convert it into integer. So print E, I think 8th line. So 10 will be printed. So please be careful. The purpose of this one is typecasting in Python language. What is the meaning of typecasting? Converting from one data type to another data type. Converting from one type to another type. Inside is present type. Inside is present type. Outside is right what you want. You want to convert into integer. Inside, outside. Inside thing is present. What is their float? You want to convert. Outside is which type you want? Integer. Finally, what you want? Integer. Finally, what you want? Integer. So this is the syntax. Yeah. Monk. Your name is Monk, but you are giving the correct answer. Thank you. Your name is Monk, but you are giving correct answer. I am very happy for you. Monk, thank you so much, Monk. Your name is Monk, I am very happy. Right, by seeing Monk, I didn't like initially. Like how you don't like by seeing my name. By seeing my name, you don't like. By seeing your name also, I didn't like. But when I see your answer, I felt so good. Monk is a nice person. Monk is a nice person. Let's go to. So what is the output you got now? 123, 1010. Perfect. Let's go to next problem. Example 2. A is equal to float of 10. Print A. Next C is equal to float of true. Print C. C also done. Next one. D is equal to float of false. Print D. They will be useful. They may not ask directly, but they will be useful. They may not ask directly, but they will be useful. Next one, E is equal to float of print E also done. F is equal to float of 10 print F. So 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 here, 5 here, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead. What is the output you are thinking? Try. What is the output you are thinking? Try. Monk, try. Monk, whatever it may be the answer. Can you try, Monk? Right answer, wrong answer, doesn't matter. Monk, can you try? I will be very happy for you if you try. I will be very happy for you if you try. Try once. I will give the answer. You people try your attempt. You people try your efforts. Yeah, so let me try this. Whatever answer you got, it's okay. Let me give answer. You tried your attempt. I will give the answer. So first line, float, okay. Print A. So float, na? So this second line will print float, right? 10.0. Okay, that's okay. Next one, float true. True means 1, right? Float of 1. So it's become 1.0. Next one, false means 0, float of 0. So it will print, sixth one, na? It will print 0.0. So till now it's okay. Next one. So it is actually string. Float of the string. It will become 10. It will become 10. Right? It will become 10. Right? And print E, it will print 10.0. Next one. So it is a 10. See, 10. It is a something we don't know. To you, maybe you know 10. You know what is the meaning of 10, but system don't know. Float of 10. So remember, this will give error. This will give error. This will give error. So please be careful. Last print will give error. Last one will give error. Please check. Last one will give error. 10.0, 1.0, 0.0, 10.0. Right. Perfect. Last one will give error. Thank you. Thank you so much, Monk. You are correct. Last one will give error. Last one will give error. Last one will give error. Right? In the previous one, there are some errors are there. In the previous problem, there are errors, some errors are there. If I write like that, there is error. Let us assume. Let us assume that ninth one I am writing in the previous one. In the previous one, ninth one I am writing like this one. Can you see this one? Ninth one I am writing. F is equal to int of f is equal to int of 10.5 string. So printf, it is an error because it is a string 10.5. 10.5 is a string. In that you cannot remove some half. It is a one string. It is a one string. From this you cannot remove half. So this will give error. It is a error. From 10.5 you cannot remove something because it is a string. It is a string. It is a string. Please be careful. Similarly, g is equal to int of g is equal to int of same story 10. Printf, print g. It is also error. It will also error. So please be careful. Now, one more problem for the typecasting too. They will be indirectly useful. They will be indirectly useful. Remember, they will be indirectly useful. Remember, indirectly they will be useful. Indirectly they will be useful. Please careful. Right? Write this also. Next problem. They may not ask directly, but indirectly. A is equal to complex of 10. Print A. B is equal to complex. Directly they may not ask, indirectly they can ask. Print B. C is equal to complex. True. Print C. Next one. D is equal to complex. False. Print D. Yeah, true, false. We done till now. Let me go one more round. E is equal to complex. 10. Print E. G is equal to complex. 10. Print G. It is a 1, it is a 2, it is a 3, it is a 4, it is a 5, it is a 6, it is a 7, it's a 8, it's a 9, it's a 10, it's a 11, it is a 12. Now go ahead, finish it off. This problem also finish. Learn something from this. Learn something from this. What you can learn from this, try. Everyone try. Output of this program. Find out what is the output of this program. So I will give the answer. I will give the answer. Output of this program. I will give the answer. Everyone see? So complex of 10. A is equal to complex of 10. Print A. Print A. Because of this what happened? It is a complex, na? 10 plus 0J. Next one, 10.5, 10.5 printed, right? So this one, what happened is, I think this will goes to 10.5 plus 0J. Next one, C is equal to complex true, printf, C. This will goes to, I think, sixth number. I think this is the fourth number, right? This is the sixth number. Then what happened is, it is true, na? True means 1. 1 plus 0J. Next one, it is 0, na? It is a 0. Eighth one. Eighth one, I think 0 plus 0J, which is nothing but 0J. Whatever you want. 0 plus 0J also okay, no problem. So this one also okay, no issue. Next one, can you see this one? Right, see this also. Complex 10. Complex 10. Printf. So if you see the ninth one, complex 10. If you see the ninth one, right? So this will goes to, yeah, as usual, same. This will goes to 10 plus 0J. But here problem, same problem here. This is again error. They don't know how to convert it. They don't know how to convert it. Can they? 10 yeah, I think it's perfect. So output, if you see 10 plus 0J, 10.5 0J, right? 1 plus 0J, 0.0J, next one 10 plus 0J. So that's it. That's it. It's a very, very interesting problem. Please take care. It's a very, very interesting problem. Please take care. Let me know anyone having any objection. Ready, sir? I have this objection. You say to me, I will help you. Ready, sir? I have this doubt. You just say to me, I will help you. Yeah. Can we move next? Can we move to next problem? Monk, can we go to next? Last one will give error. Remaining all will give correct answers. Remaining all will give correct answer. Let's go to next problem. But before going next problem, let me say one important thing. You cannot convert. It will simply say you cannot convert. Right? Invalid conversion. Something like that error will come. Invalid conversion. Something like that error will come. So I want to say GATE 2000. These are the EPT GATE 2026 toppers. These are the EPT GATE 2026 toppers. So the interesting thing about all these toppers is they are prepared 6 to 12 months. 6 to 12 months. If you want to crack GATE examination within less time, 6 to 12 months. Minimum 6 months, maximum is 12 months. Right? So most of the people whoever cracked in the GATE examination from the EPT, right? Most of the people are 6 to 12 months. That is the purpose why we kept EPT. EPT kept for that purpose, examination oriented, right? So EPT kept for that purpose only. So, right, these are the EPT toppers who got in the GATE 2026 very good rank. They prepared 6 to 12 months. Aman Kumar got 5th rank, right? Raju got 7th rank. Utkarsh got 12th rank. Santanu got 16th. Aditya got 23 rank. Shubham 29. Bharat 46. Pawan 59. Nikhil 70. Ambati, right? Revant is 92. Next one is Abhik is 99. Rohit is 130. Sujit 130. Pawan is 195. Anmol Saini is 227. Krishna 235. Ayush 240. Next one is Kausik 281. Shreyanshu 285, Ayush 296, Omkar 296, Divyanshu 296. Next one is Ayush 342, Neha 413, Maniji 421, Karthik 466. Next one is Rahul 483, Pavan 544, Mohit 632. So I want to see all of you. I want to see all of you in the next year toppers list. All of you in the next year toppers list, I want to see. All of you, I want to see in the next year toppers list. I request everyone, please study properly. Right? Whatever procedure we are giving, if you follow 6 to 12 months, you will get the very nice rank. 6 to 12 months, you will get the nice rank. All the people, these people got 6 to 12 months only. If you are liking EPT lectures, you can refer to your friends. You will get the cashback 20%. If you go to your profile, you will find out the referral code. You share to your friends and say to them, right, you are liking EPT lectures and all your experience, you can share to them. If they so if they join, you will get the 20% cashback. And one more thing is for on all EPT courses, see this one, on all EPT combo courses, right, you will get 70% discount. This is the code. EPT all combo courses, 70% discount you will get. And if you selected for any company interview, maybe MNC company, PSU or IIT, if you selected for anywhere if you selected for interview, interview, we will conduct a mock interview. Just inform to us. Just WhatsApp to us. We are going to conduct a mock interview for you with experts. If you got interview chance at anywhere, please inform to us. Our team will conduct the mock interview with experts. These are EPT faculties. Myself, I am guiding from the last 20 years. Uma Maheshwar sir also approximately 20 years. Dera sir also. Abhinav, All India Rank 1, is also there. So Shilpa madam, IIT Kharagpur, she is teaching from the last 5 years. Nidhi madam, last 5 years. Deadlock sir, right, is doing one wonderful subject. Right, he is IIT Bombay alumni, All India Rank 150 he got. Shubham sir, All India Rank 29 he got. C programming is completely free, and Python program also completely free on the YouTube. You can utilize. If you are writing IIT Hyderabad, 6 mock tests are free. You can utilize. Many people are written already. Approximately 5K people are written till now. So I request everyone. You also can utilize this. You can join the combo courses. You will get all advantages. Combo courses, all you can join. You will get all advantages. And combo gate plus placement, you will get all gated placement also. And one more thing is going to be, you can go only regular, you can go for only foundation, right? So test series also, right? Last year most of the questions came from EPT test series. You can join mentorship program also. Every weekend will you target gate plus top PSU also. Excellent questions. You can take whatever course you like. 50% off on all courses. 70% off on combo courses. Every Saturday, every weekend, there is a mentorship session. We will give the deadlines also, we will give targets also. And these are the EPT free resources. You can practice from here. Everyone practicing, I hope you will also practice. So you will get all classes in English only, live recording. And one more thing, daily quizzes also there. Right, doubt solving also there. Next one, verified question PYQs also there. Mentorship is also there. Placement training also there. And one more thing is going to be, right, revision plan, structured plan is available. That is the reason people are able to complete within 6 to 12 months only. They are cracking the GATE examination from EPT. Because most of the EPT students, GATE and placements also they cracked. These people cracked GATE also, placement also. Our concentration is not GATE, our concentration is not placement. Both you can crack if you plan properly. This is the placement course, right? Master DSA and system design. This is the placement course. So if anyone want to join, they can join. DSA Super 50 is going on, new batch started, so please you can go ahead. 50 test interview questions will be solved. Now come to next problem. Come to next problem. Find output. Find output. Find output. Okay, so in that first one, print str of 10. Print str of 10. Print str of 10.5. Print str of 10 plus 5j. Whatever you feel you do. Print str of true. Print, check yourself. Bool of 0. Print bool of 1. Print bool of 10. Next one, print 1 comma bool of 10.5. Print 2 comma bool of 0.178. Whatever you feel you can give. So if anything new, you please learn. Print 3 bool of 0.0. Print 4 bool of 10 minus 2j. Print 5 comma bool of 0 plus 1.5j. Next one, print 6 comma bool of 0 plus 0j. Next, print anything new, learn it. 0.5, 0 plus 0j there. So 7 comma bool true. Print 8 comma bool false. Print 9 comma bool double quote starting, double quote ending. Yeah, can you try what is the output? Write one by one output. Please go ahead with this problem. This topic is completed. Total almost 16 printf. Try whatever you are thinking. With this topic is over. With this topic is over. Please go ahead. Whatever output you are thinking, you can go ahead. Today's class is just started now. Today's class is just started now. 23/4/26. Find output of following Python program. This is typecasting. This is something related to typecasting. This is something related to typecasting. Everyone try. What is the output? Please start writing output. What is the 1 output? What is the 2 output? What is the 3 output? What is the 4 output? What is the 5 output? What is the 6 one? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Go ahead. What is the output of this program? Don't think anything about the output. What is your opinion? You write. I feel something is there important, so that's the reason I took. That's the reason I took this problem. That's the reason I took this problem. Everyone try. Everyone try. What is the output of this program? Something is there in this problem. That is the reason I given. Totally 16 statements are there. I think first one, right? str of 10. 10 is actually integer. You are converting into string. So I think nothing special. 10 only will print. str of 10.5. It is actually integer. Sorry, float. You are converting into string. I think 10.5 only printed. The only thing is previously it is an integer. Now it became string. Right? Till now everything is fine. So please let me know. Until now everything is fine. So str 10 plus 5j string format. Third one, if you observe, same. 10 plus 5j only printed. If something special, please see. String, right? String format of true. So true only. Actually, as of now, true is a boolean. You are converting into string. True only. All string format, it will convert into string. But when string is printing on the screen, you may not see double quotes, but all are converting into strings. Right? So till now, no one is having any doubt. What about bool 0? Till now it's fine. What about bool 0? What about bool 0? What is the answer? I think bool 0, you are converting into, remember, it is a bool of 0. Boolean type, it is not string type. Boolean type. 0 Boolean type, I think it's going to be false, right? Nothing special. Boolean of 1, so already we done yesterday also, true. Okay. So these are done. Confusion is coming, so please be careful. Until 6 we done. And one more thing is, the advantage is you can execute also. You can check once. So whichever is nice, those things you remember. Remaining all you can simply ignore, because whatever you are thinking, same thing will come. Can you help me now? It is a non-zero. Boolean of 10. I think it is going to be true. Any non-zero is going to be true, right? So I think after true, again true. Okay. Till now perfect. Any non-zero is true. 0 is false. Boolean of 0, false. Boolean of 1, true. Boolean of non-zero, 10, which is going to be true. Boolean of 10.5, that is also true. So, but here 1 comma, for my significance I written, so 1 comma. 8th one is 1 comma 10.5. 1 comma boolean, true will be printed. Next one, 2 comma, I think this is also, see this one, it is not 0, 2 comma true will be there. 0.0 means 0, 0.0 means 0 only, na? So I think it is going to be, 10th one is going to be 3 false. Let's check if anyone having any argument. I will also check. 3 comma false, yes. 2 comma true, yes. 1 comma true, yeah, perfect till now. Next one, nothing special. So this is also, see this one. This is also non-zero. 4 comma true will be there. So this is also non-zero. 5 comma true will be there. Go to the 13th. Go to the 13th. See, 0 plus 0j means 0 only. So I think 6 comma false will be there. Check. Sixth one is false. Sixth one is false. Yes, perfect. Now go to the next one. So true. See this one. It is a string. Remember, it is a string. It is some string. Some string is there. Some string there. So 7 comma, right? 7 comma true will be there. And one more thing, here also some string. Remember, it is a string. Some string. This is the only place where you get doubts. So this is some string. Boolean of something there, something there. So this is also going to be 8 and true. So remember 15th one, that I think 15th one, 8 comma true. Yeah, perfect. This is the only place where you get doubt. Where you may do wrong also. I also done wrong, you may also do wrong. But remember some string. See, something there. Here also some string. Here also some string. But here nothing there. It is almost like 0. Boolean will goes to false if 0. Nothing is there in 0 only. So it is going to be 9 comma false. Boolean will goes to false if 0 indirectly, directly. But it is a string. False double quotes. It is a string, something there. In the string, something there. In the string, nothing. That is called 0. In the float, 0.0, that is 0. See this one. 0.0 in the float is 0. In the string empty, empty, that is 0. In the integers 0, that is false. So these are the 3 cases. And one more, in the complex variables, 0 plus this one, see, this is also false. In the complex, 0 plus 0 is false. Boolean of 0 plus 0. Boolean of 0 is false. Next one, in the strings, Boolean of empty, false. So 6th one false, 16th one false, okay. 13th one false, okay. Next one, in the case of float, 0.0 is false, which is going to be, I think, 10. This is also false. In the case of integer, directly 0, false. 3 is going to be false. What is the 3? See, I think this one is not 3. I think 5th one. 5th one is false. So from today onwards, you remember, Boolean will be false. Directly 0, 0.0. Right? Next one is 0 plus 0j. Next one is in the strings, empty. In the strings, empty. Can you give 1 minute? Can you give 1 minute? Just give me 1 minute. Yeah, perfect. So let me know if anything is alright, anything is a doubt. Sir, I have this doubt, sir. You ask me, I will help. You ask me, I will help you. Ready, sir? I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help you. You ask me, I will help you. Real numbers. Real numbers means complex numbers are 0 plus 0j. Boolean of 0 plus 0j false. Strings, boolean of empty string. Boolean of empty string false. But remember, boolean of false is not false because boolean in the string something there. In the string something there. String nothing, then only false. Doubt in 12th point. Let's see. Boolean of 0 plus 1.5j. 0 plus 1.5 is something there, na? It is not 0. It is a non-zero. It is a non-zero, right? Real number may be 0. 0 plus 1.5j, something there, right? If both are 0, then only 0. Real part is 0, imaginary is there. Something there. Something is there. See, completely empty. String is completely empty. Then false. In the case of the complex number 0 plus 0j, either real part something there or imaginary part something there or both are something there, any one something, then it's going to be true. Right? Fine. So remember, so this is the only thing people will do mistake. This is the only thing people will do mistake. Nothing is there, remember, nothing or 0. Nothing or 0, but it is, remember, it is look like a 0, but it is a string. It is a string. Some string is there, some string there. Empty string, then only false. Empty string, then only false. Empty string. In the case of strings, empty string only false. In the case of the complex number 0 plus 0j only false. In the case of float, 0.0 only false. In the case of integer, 0 only false. Right? Perfect. I think everyone got it. If you okay, I can move to the next one. If you okay, I can move to the next one. So this is the thing related to typecasting. Typecasting, all the problems whatever we discussed. Yesterday few problems we discussed. Right? Today we done the nice problem. This is the nice problem. Most probably I will use another color also. Let me use another color. This may be, you may do wrong. While revising, please take care. While revising, please take care. You may do this mistake. Remaining all, I don't think that much. You may do this mistake. This also. If you want, you can add this also. You may do this mistake also. Right. Perfect. Perfect. Now let's move to next. I think until now you are okay. Let's move to next. Let's move to next. See this. See carefully. Let's move to next. See this one. There is a one function that is called complex. See, complex of x comma y. One function is there. Right? We can use this method. We can use this method to convert x and y into complex numbers such that x will be real part and y will be imaginary part. There is a one function is there. You can remember this. There is a one function. Complex x comma. Example also. Complex 10 comma minus 2. So this can be written like this. This is the output. Complex true comma false. True means 1. False means 0, 0, 0. So it will, complex function will convert the given two numbers into complex number. Right? So remember this also. This also you take care. It is a one note. This is one kind of note. Okay. That is perfect. Now next one, can you see this one? This one, yesterday also I written in the class. It is better to show properly. I am showing. See this one. See everyone. In Python, yesterday also I said, you know very well this story, whatever I am going to say. One time listen. In Python, if a new object is required, then Python virtual memory won't create object immediately. If you want, right? Suppose isn't that A10 is you. So A already 10 is there, address is 1000. You kept B is equal to 10 also. New person you are trying to create. So in Python, if a new object is required, then Python virtual machine won't create object immediately. First it will check, is any object available with the required content or not. content or not, name forget, content or not, it will check. If available, then existing object will be reused. Then this will be B also. So if it's not available, then only new object will be created. The advantage of this approach is memory utilization and performance will be improved. Right? So remember this. This is very, very important. If you keep on every time if you create, so unnecessarily space will be wasted. If it is not available, then only create a new object. The advantage of this approach is memory utilization and performance will be improved. For A also, B also same memory. But what is the side effect? But the problem in this approach is several references point to the same object. See, A also pointing here, B also, many people. Suppose one more, C also, many. But the problem in this approach is several references pointing to the same object. By using one reference, we are allowed to change the content in the existing object, then remaining all references will be affected. Suppose if I change A value to 20, then B also change it to 20, C also change it to 20. This is the problem with this approach. Then to prevent this, there is a immutability concept is required. To prevent this problem, because of, let's see this one, at this place, 10, A there, B there, C there, D there. If someone changes, all will affect. To prevent this, there is an immutability concept. What is that? According to this, once creates an object, we are not allowed to change the content. Once you fix the value 10, you are not allowed to change it. If you are trying to change with those changes, a new object will be created. Suppose you made A is equal to 20 now. A is equal to 10 already, there A is equal to 20. One new variable will be created. 20, address may be 2000. If you okay, we can move to the next point. According to this, once creates an object, we are not allowed to change the content. If you try to change with those changes, a new object will be created. This point everyone know. Yesterday we discussed also. All the problems are those only. This point, please take care. It's a very, very important point. Why immutability concept came? Because one affected, one you change, all will affect. Why all will affect? Many people are pointing to the same place. Why many people are pointing to the same place? Right? If at all same content, one more person coming, they are not creating newly. They are pointing to old one only. Suppose you are trying to get the new data, then if you change, all will affect. So they will create a new one because of immutability concept. Monk, if you okay, we can move to the next one. Monk, are you okay or not? Let me know. Right. Same thing, whatever we discussed yesterday, same. Now see this also. I think this also everyone know. If anyone new to the Python programming, can you see this one? In Python, some words are reserved to represent some meaning or some functionality. Such type of words are called reserved words. There are 33, listen, there are 33 reserved words in Python. There are 33 reserved words are there in Python, 33. Right? Reserved word means what? Some meaning is there, some meaning or some functionality. Either some meaning, some functionality. There are 33 reserved words are there in Python. What are those? True, false, none, end, are, not, is. Remember, these are keywords. These are keywords. Is a keyword. None is a keyword. False is a keyword. True is a keyword. You cannot use one of the variable name as true.
You cannot use one of the variable name as false. You cannot use one of the function name as a none. You cannot use it. They are keywords. If is a keyword, else if is a keyword, else is a keyword, while is a keyword, for is a keyword, break, continue, return, in, right? Yield, try, accept, finally, raise, accept, import, from, as not there, yeah, next one, class, def, pass, global, non-local, lambda, del, with. These are the things. Count if you want. 33 reserved keywords are there. What is the meaning of reserved keywords? Some meaning or some functionality. Can I use these reserved keywords in my variable name? No. In my function name? No. Why? These are reserved keywords, they are having some meaning. How many are there? 33 reserved keywords are there. Not one or two, 33. You will get to know. Monk, you will get to know. Right? You will get to know, right? So whatever keywords are there, we are going to cover a little bit. About everything we are going to cover a little bit. Right? Now come to next one. See this note also. All reserved keywords in Python contain only alphabet symbols. There is no digits. If you want, you can go back and check. In all the reserved keyword contain only alphabet, no digit is there, check. No digit. Next one, except the following three reserved keywords, all contain only lowercase alphabet. See, this person true, first letter should be T, capital. This person is false, first person will be capital. This person is none, first person is capital. Only these three people are having first letter capital, remaining all, everyone is smaller, check. Only first three people, true, false, none, contain capital letter, first letter. Remaining all contain only characters, that is also small characters. Remember, Python language is a case sensitive language. Right? And one more thing I want to say to you, please listen this also. This is not correct. This is correct. Because Python language is a case sensitive language. This is correct. This is not correct. In the similar way, false also. False also. This is correct. This is not correct. This is not correct. Right? This is correct. This is not correct. Right? In Python language, 33 keywords are there. Every keyword contains only letters. Only three people are having, right, capital letter first place. Remaining all are small letters. Remember, false is correct capital. First letter is false, but small false, it is wrong. None correct, first letter as capital. None all small, wrong. Same way true also. So please be careful. Until now, I hope everyone is comfortable. Do you have any doubt till now? So many keywords are there. For every keyword, we will discuss something. For every keyword, we will discuss something. Can we move next? Can we move next? Can we move next? Some theoretical stuff, it is better to show properly, I show. It is some theoretical stuff, it is better to show properly, I show. Right, now let's move to next story. Let's move to next story. Right. Let's move to next story. Yeah. Can you go to next one? Can you go to next one? From now onward, this problem is interesting. Can you see this? Yeah. Can you see this one? Be careful, everyone. I am writing that problem. I am writing that problem. Let me check. Yeah, I am writing that problem. Be careful. This is going to be very interesting problem. Let's check. What is the output? So here A is equal to 10.
A is equal to input of enter the number, enter the first number. B is equal to input of enter the second number. Afterwards, print sum A plus B. Print print difference A minus B. Print multiply A into B. So please try to give answer. What is the output of this program? Very less people can give the answer. Let's see. Everyone try. Don't worry, it is the water. Don't worry, it is the water. It's not, I am not a drinker. So monk may be thinking, Reddy sir is a drinker. While teaching itself, he is that kind of drinker. While teaching itself, he will drink. While teaching itself, he will drink. Monk may be thinking like that. Monk, I am not like that. It's a simply water. So Reddy sir can't control drinking in the class only. Arey bhaiya, pani yaar, pani. Can't I drink pani also? Kya aadmi yaar? Kya kaise aadmi yaar? Pani also can't I drink? Can you say what is the output of this? Everyone try. This is going to be interesting problem. Let's see how many people will give. Let's see how many people will give. Yeah, go ahead. What is the output? Everyone try. What is the output? I request everyone, please give the output. Okay, so remember, input purpose is taking input. In C language, if you want to take input, scanner. In C++ language or Java language, if you want to take input, C in C language to take the input, scanner. In C++ language to take the input, C right? Right? Every language having its own story. So here, if you want to take input, very simple language. That is the reason user-friendly language. You want to take input, you can type. So you have to use this environment, right? So whenever input is happened, automatically you have to enter the number. Let us assume it is 30. Enter the number. It is 40. Can you help me? What is the output? Input function will take input. Whatever input you enter, it will take. Enter the first number. I enter 30. Enter the second number. I enter 40. First number will store in A. Second number will store in B. Right? So remember, A is an integer. Already 10 there. 1000 address. Okay. Now you are given some other data. one more copy created. So it is 30. Address is going to be 2000. And one more is created. I think, right? A. Next one B. One more is created. It is 40. Address is 3000. Till now, okay. Can anyone say, right? But remember everyone. Remember everyone. Input function. Remember everyone. Input function. Whatever number you enter, right? It will take, okay, 30. It will store inside this, that is also okay. But remember, this input function returns finally string. It is finally return string. String will store. Input function will always return string. Input function, whatever you enter, it will return string. String. Input function will return string, remember. Whatever you enter, that is a string. It will take it as a string. Whatever you enter, it will take it as a string. Even you enter the number, it will take it as a string. So now see this one. Print sum a plus b. So this will goes to sum a plus b. Remember 30 plus 40. But remember, these are strings. These are strings. Remember, this is called string concatenation. This is called string concatenation, which is going to be two strings you are making as one string. It will print 30, 40. Two strings. Remember this plus operator. Addition is the one. So you are adding to two strings. Adding two strings. This is called concatenation. Adding two strings. Adding two strings. This is called concatenation. Adding two strings means what? Concatenation. 30, 40. Both will become 30, 40. Remember, input function will return everything as string only. You enter anything, it will take it as, it will return as a string only. From today onwards, remember, input function always return string. Whatever you enter, it is string only. Sir, I enter integer 30, na? You may be thinking integer 30, but he will take that 30, he will consider it as a string. Whatever you enter, he will keep double quotes. Whatever you enter, he will keep double quotes and he will store. So A contain 30 double quotes means string. B contain 40 double quotes means string. So two strings adding means concatenation. Some people are asking two string subtraction. Remember, there is no meaning. No meaning. Two strings subtracting, no meaning. Here you will get the error message. Two strings multiplying, no meaning. No meaning. So this is also will give error. So if you don't want error, make it as a comment. Make it as a comment. So those two are not part of the program. They are comments. If you remove comment, you will get error. Sir, why don't you subtract two strings? You only say. What is the meaning of subtracting two strings? Subtracting two strings, what you will get? Sir, adding two strings, concatenation. Adding two strings is called concatenation. Concatenation. Just keeping side by side. You want to keep two. You want to combine two strings as one string. Concatenation. Plus operator. So output of this program is whatever number you enter, write side by side. So output is going to be 30, 40. Whatever number you enter, it will make two numbers as one number. Sir, but we want two integer sum now. We don't want. See, where we want, he is asking what is the output. Where we want sum, you may be imagining like that. What is the question here? What is the output of this program? What is the output of this program? So this program output is going to be sum colon followed by 30, 40. This is the output. They are asking what is the output of this program. Output of this program is whatever numbers you enter, they both will be side by side. Why? Concatenation is done. Someone say, if we want, we'll see. We'll see that. That is the next problem. That is the next problem. Right? Thank you so much. Thanks for asking. Thank you so much. Thanks for asking. Thanks for asking. Right. Take this problem also, it will give more clarity. Find output. Find output. See this one. A is equal to input, enter first number. B is equal to input, B is equal to input, enter second number. A is equal to input, enter the first number, B is equal to input, enter the second number. Right, now you will see, print sum A plus B, print difference A minus B, print sum difference multiply A into B. See everyone, see. What is the output of this program? Everyone have to understand. So enter the first number. I enter 30. Enter the next number. I enter 40. Okay, fine. Until now, fine. Now inside A, 30 will store. Inside B, 40 will store. But remember, they are strings. Input function returns finally strings only. Input function finally returning strings only. Now see this. At the end of the story, you got 30, which is string. At the end of the story, you got 40, which is string. Actually, I given 30, but this function finally returned 30 as a string. Actually, I enter 40, this input function finally return 40 as string. But remember, to add two numbers, to subtract, to multiply, you want numbers, right? Do typecast. Int of, just keep typecasting. That's what we discussed the typecasting till now. Here also, int of, do typecasting. That means this 30 string after typecasting, 30 string after typecasting will become 30. 40 string after typecasting to integer, it became 40. It is not a string. So if you have small doubt also, you can see the yesterday's class. Can you go there? That is the reason which we discussed it. That is the basic reason which we discussed. Can you see here? First typecasting question, I think here. See everyone here. See this. This is the one. Int of 10. 10 is actually string. Int of 10. Seventh one. See this one. Afterwards, print E, which is the 8th. This is printed 10. Int of 10. 10 is a string. After typecasting is over to integer, so E will become 10. See the 8th line, print E. 10.5, see this one, 10.5. Remember this also, 10.5 is string. 10.5 is string, integer, it will give error. If it is float, it don't give error. Can you see this one? I think somewhere should be there. Float 10, right? Float of 10, this is. I think let me check here. Float of 10 float of 10 print E, this will print. This is error message, okay? I think in this problem maybe I covered, no. So if you want, I will add this. Can you see this one? F is over G. G is equal to float of 10.5. Print G. It will print 10.5. Please check if you want. That is the reason we discussed typecasting. Everywhere typecasting required. Please check. If anyone having small doubt, please go to typecasting one time and verify. This is also typecasting series. Typecasting to other data types, but previously we discussed the typecasting of integer. So typecasting of 30 string to integer 30. Typecasting of 40 string to integer 40. So now 30, 40 became normal numbers, integers. They became normal number, integer. Now 30 plus 40, which is 70. Now it's going to be 30 minus 40, which is going to be minus 10, which is going to be 30 into 40. 4 3 is 12, 1200. That is all. So remember typecasting, input function. So from this I want to do conclusion. Input function always return. Input function always return string. Always return, always. Input function always return string. Input function always return string. Alright, let's see this. A is equal to 10. So A 10. Address 1000. That's okay. Now when you say second A, different value, na? One new copy will be created. New copy. Old one will be discarded, new copy created. For the first A, one copy. For the second A, another copy. Because they both are different. If same only will be used. If same only will be used. If different copy will be created. Okay? Can we move next? Bro, can we move next? Let me know any doubt there. Let me know if anyone having any doubt. Someone saying A plus B ka output. Let me check. Someone is saying A plus B ka outputs. 30 plus 40, na? So recent A value is 30. Recent A value 30. Recent B value 40. 30 plus 40, 70. So, but recent is this, na? So it is there. But recent is this, right? This is the recent story. Right? This is the recent story. So here. This is the recent story. Fine. This is outside. A is equal to 10. This is the copy. For this A, this is the copy. For this B, this is the copy. Recent A and B is this 70. Right? New copy. If at all same data, same will be used. If same data, same will be used. If different data, different will be used.
I think you are getting Python. You are getting Python. Python language you are getting. They will play so many tricks here. If anyone don't know how these variables are working, it is going to be serious issue. It is going to be serious issue. You are getting Python. Monk, you are getting the Python. I am able to sense it. So remember, input function always return string. You want integer, typecast to integer. You want char, typecast to char. You want float, typecast to float. How to typecast? That's what we discussed in the last class. Everything is normal except one or two statements. Please go through it one time and check. Now can you see the statement also? Can you see the statement also? Note, in Python, the following data types are considered as fundamental data types. These are fundamental data types: int, float, complex, bool, string. str means string. These are the fundamental, like in C language, int, char, float, double. Some data types are there, right? So here also, these are fundamental data types. There are so many data types. These are fundamental data type, but one important thing is there. One important thing is there in C language. There is a char, but here there is no char. See, in Python, we can represent char values also by using string type. And explicitly, char type is not available, remember. Remember, string and char is both are same in Python. There is no char. Right? There is no char. Character also string here, string also string here. So it's like this. See this one. A is equal to X, Y, Z. I written. This also same meaning. This also same meaning. Both are same. Both are same. Both are same. In Python language, there is no character. Character and string both are same. Char and string same. They given the name as string only. They given the name as string only. In Python, the following data types are considered to be fundamental data types. These are fundamental data types. Many more are there. These are fundamental. In Python, there is no character. Then how character? Character and string same. You want at any point of time character, take string. You want at any point of time string, take string. You want at any point of time character, that is also string only. Both are same, right? If you want, you can write one program and you can check. Write the one program and you can check. Right? Fine. I'm thinking that everyone is comfortable. I'm thinking that everyone is comfortable. Let's move to next.